All right, welcome back for part two. Now we're talking about the three-note fragments again, and I've got that color-coded chart here for you. Hopefully you can see the colors pretty decent on your screen. If not, there's a PDF that you can download and go ahead and take a look at this while we're talking about it. Well, the fragments, I've written them out now from the different scales, but I wrote each fragment. Remember, each scale had two fragments, so I've written the fragments out so you can see what all of them look like. At the top one we have in red, the 5 flat 7 1. That's the upper fragment for Mixolydian, Dorian, and blues. Remember how we talked about the fragments were a part of, the same fragment was in 3 of the different scales, and then, they share, the different scales share fragments. So it's kind of cool. And that's what makes it so useful, right? Because we don't have to instantly switch scales. We can sometimes switch one note and create a new sound, a whole new scale. Now this one in the middle here, this is the lower fragment for Mixolydian, and this one goes with the upper fragment of Mixolydian is right up here. So when you put those two together, basically what you have is a minor pentatonic shape, the shape 3 again, but you have one note that's been changed. I'll show you. When you play those two, the purple and the red, you get this. Okay? And what happened is we have minor pentatonic, shape 3, but we've changed this flatted third to a major third. That's all we did. So we played shape 3, but changed the flatted third to a major third. Right there. So when we do that, we get this tone. Very Mixolydian sound, okay? One of the cool, it's a cool sound we can use over the blues. And that's how we create that. So in my mind though, and on the fretboard visually, I just think of it as minor pentatonic with a raised third, which makes it not minor anymore, right? Because when you change the third from a flatted third to a major third, you've changed the tonality of the scale from minor to major. But visually, it's just the minor shape, shape number 3. It's in the minor position in the key of C, right? C minor. It's just that shape raising the flatted third up 1/2 step.